So we got this last little port. Now I would have been done, but of course I'm stopping and I'm talking to y'all. I got what you need.
Oh, hit that little edge. I don't know, I got any straight pieces, y'all. Can y'all see? Y'all see any straight pieces? That's a straight piece right there. Can y'all see any? Let me know, y'all let me know, I can't see.
I'm about to turn around and say, alright, let me know. Y'all see straight pieces? Do y'all see any? So, I believe we're good. So this is the fun part. So I got all my curls in and everything like that. I do my finger through. So being as though that my hair is very fine, I cannot and do not put a lot of product in my hair. Where is my oil? So I'm using my spray. No, it ain't ready yet, so anyways, I spray my hand. I concentrate more so on the ends of my hair as opposed to the root, because the ends is the oldest part of your hair. And that's where the lightener is. The bleach, the decolorizer, whatever you guys want to call it, whatever your stylist calls it. So my curls kind of nice and full. I'm not going to spray it again with any other extra spray because I already sprayed my flat iron brush. I'm back. Okay, so I got my flexi rods. Now I am missing one of my flexi rods, one of these sizes. Now a lot of times people be like, oh, it comes out too tight, or I don't know how to use them, whatever. So these are 1 inch diameter. So for anyone that has like medium length hair or a little bit longer, these are the size flexi rods that you want to use. Regardless of the color, I got the pink ones, I got the orange ones. Every company makes them in different colors. There is no universal color to size in flexi rods. You want to look at the actual inch diameter. So I only got 5. I should have 6. So I'm gonna flexi rod my hair with 6 flexi rods.
So I'm gonna use the little whip brush thing.
And no, your partying or any of that does not have to be perfect, because when you take the flexi rods down, you are going to finger through your hair again. So just make sure that your hair is going into its little C, as if you were going to do a C curl pattern, if you were going to pin it with bobby pins. You see that? You see that? You make sure that the hair I'm sorry, if y'all don't know me personally, I feel bad for y'all because I'm very silly. But you make sure that the hair is fully wrapped around the rod. And then you proceed through the rest of your hair. So now, like I said, I only have 5. But the fact that they're longer and they're wider is okay for my length hair. So I'm parting kind of like on a diagonal. So the comb is almost kind of like stopping to the back of my ear from the middle section of where this last flexi rod was put in. Like I said, the parting ain't got to be all straight because you're not leaving out the house. I mean, you could, like, say for example, if you was going to an event or something. Once again, all that hair, see all that hair is curling right around. Get your flexi rod. It should already be open and prepared. that hair is curling right around the flexi rod. You roll it down and bend it. Voila, magic.
Same thing on the other side. Kind of like to the back of the ear. You want to make sure all your hair is scooped up in there. If you need to, or you feel like you need to smooth the hair out, just to make sure that it's all in together, then you can do that. Look, you see how the hair is wrapping all the way around. So actually, another thing that if you notice, I'm kind of already mid-shaft to the length of my hair. So that's why it's going to keep that voluminous curl, if you will. So now this back section right here, you can do two things. You can split it right down the middle and do it side to side, or you can split it in half and do one on top of the other. It's whatever your preference is, whatever is easiest for you. I'm just going to take my finger and go straight across, make my life easier. Make it like you got a little curly mid-shaft. Again, you see that the hair is already curling and wrapping around. Roll it down. Rolling. I hope y'all can see that. So this last little section, same thing, pull it into like a little ponytail. Brush that trim. Next
section of the hair shaft. Roll it. Smooth. Roll. Bend.
Might still have some little pieces hanging down, but that's okay. So then, I'm gonna beat my face, finish, put my scrub on the right side, and then I'll take the flexi rod down, and I'll let y'all see the rest. I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright. I can't see y'all, so don't talk about me. How you getting this? It's a shame. Alright, bye y'all. Oh, and it's right up in the corner, right on top of my forehead. Same shame.
I'm back. So my face is slightly beat. So I'm about to take my flexi rods out. How long was that? It wasn't that long. So I started in the back. No, where did I start? I started in the front, right? So that means that's had the longest time. So that's where I'm going to start to take them out. So you can either finger through your hair. That was not me trying to show y'all my nose. that would have been so petty. You could finger through your hair, or you could use a brush. But I like to finger through my hair. And just comb your curls out. I can't wait to redo this color, y'all. So, yeah, that's it. And that's how my regimen goes when I go to style my hair. See? See how this goes? See? That cowlick. And that's it. So she's done. Yeah. I told y'all I was silly. So, yeah. So that's it. Yeah, darlings. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. And she's done. She's out of here on the road. About to go outside and take my son's selfies and my core selfies and go get this education on. All right, y'all. Bye.